Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be testing Minecraft 1.18 overly generated world seeds. Before we get on to the video, make sure to like and subscribe to never miss the latest uploads. Let's go. First seed is -4106 2924504 11 7 2 3 6s and 1. Okay, so we have spawned in, and I think it's at the coordinates -688, and then the z coordinate is 592. I'm gonna TP to those coordinates and hope that's the mansion. So 668 tilde and -592. You can oh whoa, that's cool. So it is spawning in the water, and it's a full mansion. How deep does it go down? All the way to here. That is a really cool seed. On to the next one. Okay, so this seed is -183 754 863 809 70237. Create new world. Okay, so for the next coordinates, we have to go to -709 165 and 520. So if we fly up, we are in a snow biome. If we fly up, whoa, do you see how that comes down? That's crazy generations. That's amazing. Okay, that is so cool. Let's go on to the next seed. Okay, so this seed is 2895536666646s958. And if you can't get any of these seeds in, I will link all of them down in the description. So we will create the new world. Okay, so we have loaded into the world, and we have to TP to the coordinates -756 105, and lastly -370. So we've come to the village, and there's not one but 2 blacksmiths. And then there's a whole line of village houses, and it's a pretty cool world generation, seeing that it's in an island with a dark oak biome over there, and then a oak biome right here where the village is located. Yeah, and then over there we have a mountain with a cool cave that's going into it, which you can explore. Yeah, okay, on to the 4th seed. Okay, so this seed is 13,44,09,4779. Create the new world. Okay, load it in, and the whole point of the seed is the crazy generation of this little island, but it's so tall. It's a taiga biome, but it's like only one chunk of it, and that's really cool. It's like all out in the open, and you do have enough wood to make yourself a boat to leave this island, but that's pretty neat. Yep. Okay, so the seed for number 5 is 4, 8, 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 2, 7, 7, 4, 2, 9, 9, 1, 8, 4038. Create the new world. Okay, so we have loaded in, and we have to go to the coordinates -271, 105, and -705. Oh, this cool. It's like a crater inside of this, and it's a dripstone cave. It does go down to Y27. That's pretty cool. I'm looking up from the top. Wow. And it's a nice place with the Badlands and all of the other ravines in here. Like just right there. That's like a small one. And then all over. This is a pretty cool seed, especially with this in it. -913, 5439, 529496606179. Okay, create the new world. So we have loaded in the plant biome, and we have to go to the coordinates of 978, 166, and 484. Loading in. Oh, whoa! So it's a Badlands over there, mixed in with a bit of a swamp biome, a small one, and then you have your nice jungle biome. And the Badlands just goes on to there, and then you have your ocean, And then there's a humongous cave right there. And a ravine over here. Oh wow, this is a cool one. You have the Badlands and your trees over there. On to the last one. Okay, so for this last one, it's 6 2 2 2 7 7 0 2 4 1 4 4 5 0 7 5 4 8. Create the new world. Okay, so we spawn on inside of the Badlands. And we have to go to the coordinates of 836 till B and negative 400. This one's really cool. Okay. It is a fishy. You have its mouth over there with its eyeball, which is that. And then its fin, its tummy, and its tail. That's a bit different, but yeah. And when the world's generating in, the sand over here falls to create its line of teeth, and it spawns in a coral reef. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of our video. If you want more Minecraft, Scratch, or tutorials, make sure to subscribe.